My people, Chisom Adams, now 24 years old boy, I mean man, wey dey date one sugar mommy for UK. Now matter don meet me, say him do video as they dey, you understand? They just dey bang each other. Him do video, and now he don threa ten the woman say if she no give am £3,000. Say that video go reach her children and go expose am to the whole world for them to see. Now as I dey talk to una now, my people, they don give am sen ten ce to 40 months in prison. Wetin be 40 months? Una too abroad people say una dey vex me sometimes. Efulefu. Hey, my brother, you leave Nigeria where fine girls full, young girls, vibrant girl, you go abroad, you say na old mama you dey go do. Yes, so and the woman now, you know say sometimes wetin you think say dey work for your country no be wetin dey work for another person country. The guy think say if na Nigeria now, you understand, if you just tell girl say I get your video, I go post am, they go dey fear, they go wan do anything. You no know say na old cargo him don go jam. The woman say today this one no go work. Na so the woman come say okay, the woman go meet police, arrange the thing. You dey joke with white people, my brother. Today your own don finish, now they don catch am. Yes, e be like say the woman, you understand, dey plan am. You know say white people when white people dey strategize, when they wan catch you, nothing wey you go do. I will put this guy picture, make these people see who are they talk about. Chai, see him face like who no suck him mama breast when he's small. Just dey. You think say UK na Nigeria where idiots like you they escape when you don't bribe policeman? Nigeria na so they do. Small thing, you just give policeman 50 naira, 100 naira, your case is closed. This one, my brother, this is UK, and things they happen for there. UK, they know they joke with their law. You understand? See, your mates they Nigeria, they cry. Imagine all these NSAS things where they happen. People they cry, say if they get chance, go abroad. Now this guy get chance. You say your own, now to scam person, you are now the opportunity where you want use and do. I pity you. You don't know who you just jam. Anyway, I don't even blame the boy self. Now the woman. Now people like una they spoil this society. Now una they make us not to get boyfriend. Yes, because assuming you know they follow my mates now where me are supposed date, I no go date single. You have carried them. Now una they cause am. I be my people, because me now I dey look, I no talk anything sha. Now the matter be that, my people. So me I dey against this woman, and I dey against sugar mommy. Make una leave sugar mommies alone. I be my people, wetin una think? I still want know. You understand? Yes, another Kenya matter don come. Oh, Kenya people, if you dey here, they watch me, you be Kenya. Click that like button because I don't bring your matter come this side. Now he get one man. He dey suffer from stomach problem. They come carry and rush and go hospital. My people, as they rush and go hospital, now so as the doctor they treat am, he can't lose consciousness. In brain blank. As in brain blank now, doctor mind, this man don't die. No be small matter. Now so they carry am go mortuary immediately. As they reach mortuary, now so my brother say it's not time. So the guy just open eye. Everybody come shock. And I know they see, make a first start with this thing. Now in family number one. Because you carry person go hospital. You yourself, even if doctor tell you say this person don't die, what is supposed to do? At least check where doctor you know they watch white people for their movies. No, you can't do this. No, tell me, show me. That's what you're supposed to do. They don't tell you say person die. You say you carry yourself, he's dead. Now so doctors they behave. So now patient will never die. Because doctors lazy, they can't tell us say they don't die. Una suppose they very, very careful. And they tell una, and my advice now be say make we create awareness for all these plenty mistakes where doctors they make, where they cost people life. No be so one doctor go he say they operate patient. My people, operation. Now so the man go forget whether na scissors are being tools inside the person's stomach, and he even sew the thing back, he stitch am back. For the person mind don well, before you know a complication come dey happen o. Hey, this one, bam, person die. I dey tell una true, so una suppose dey very very careful. All these doctors, see my brother, my advice for you now, as God don make am possible, you no die. If I be you, I go repent, start dey do good things, because the next one maybe you no go survive am o. You understand? So you better dey in check, dey in line, dey check yourself every day. My people, na the matter be this. I still wan know wetin una think for all these stories wey I don drop for una. No leave that comment section empty. You understand? I need una opinion. And if you never subscribe, share this video, make it go viral, and click on that notification bell so that you go dey informed whenever we drop those hot videos for you. Yes, don't go far. I go see you later. Some people just decide say they no wan be man, na women. My people, for una wey no know her name, abi im name na Bobrisky. I dey sure say many of una know am. Na very known man wey don turn to woman. This person now don come outside, dey insult all the girls. He say she go her boyfriend house. I don't know how man they go meet man self. Now she know. She said she go her boyfriend house as they spend the night together with loving and kissing. And so the man just give her 15 million naira cash. Hey! I don't know whether that's true. I don't know whether na lie, my people. But video day, so I want make una see the money.
Those of you that will come to my Snapchat, oh, Bobrisky, he don't have a pussy, he don't have a breast, blah blah blah. She get bomb, I get yash. Happy? See, waiting, my pussy will no guess they give me. You that has the pussy, that has the breasts, wait till the pussy give you just one night, just a night, 15 million naira. See, I don't go out. I'm a bad bitch. But when I go out for reasonable money. All of you, all these girls that will go out, Snapchat all the whole world, go to all the parties in this Lagos. At the end of the day, you will only come back with just 500k, 200,000. Shame on your pussy.
Una hear wetin she dey talk? Say, una wey don dey go. Abi, how many of una dey go at Snapchat dey whine this person? She say all of una wey dey tell her say she no get breast, she no get this one. Say una don see wetin the thing wey she no get don bring, but una wey get am na 200k una dey come back with. See, my sister, I be my brother, I don't even know which one to call you. Man, I be woman. But the thing be saying now, you just let us know by yourself, with yourself. Say you be correct akuna. You understand? Yes, because nobody tell you anything. Now you yourself come outside, come they tell us all your secrets. Like people see, make una dey very careful with people like all these people where they come online. They can't validate their happiness, their life. they suffer. Now only for internet you go see them because they want show themselves. They know what they want make you see. See, wait till I even want tell you self. That money, 15 million naira, keep on. You understand? Because we don't need them. Now you go even need them for Pampers. Keep am. We don't need them. And as for I bet put in picture there because I did show so many people don't even know who I talk about. As for the Lagos government, I be Lagosians, I don't give una, I don't bring una work. 15 million naira a day. So make una go collect tax. You understand? Collect tax because we need give am to NSAS petitioners. At least better people they will go use that money do better thing. You understand now? Now the thing be that. So now, my people, the thing where they pay me now be say this very person, I be this man. You go get people where they look up to, right? You go get people where they wish to dey like him. But una join for the foolishness because I don't know wetin dey here. Who una won't be like. I don't talk my mind now. So I still want to know wetin una think for this matter. Bobrisky. Your name self too risky.